Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about separation techniques. Under separation techniques, we have completed about liquid-liquid mixtures. Now it's time for solid-liquid mixtures. So how can we separate these solid-liquid mixtures? They can be separated by sedimentation and decantation, filtration, crystallization. Let's move on to sedimentation and decantation. Let's take one example. Suppose I have a container. The container is filled with water and mud water. The water is filled with, the container is filled with mud water. Now, after some time, you will observe the mud will settle down on the bottom of the beaker. Why? Because it's undisturbed. And when it's undisturbed, the heavier particles settle down on the bottom of the container. This process is called as sedimentation. Sedimentation is the process by which heavier particles settle down at the bottom of the container. Here, the water forms the top layer and the mud forms the bottom layer. The mud is called the sediment here. Thus, similarly, if you filter the pure liquid into another beaker without disturbing the sediment, then it is called decantation. The process by which pure liquid is transferred into another beaker is called decantation. Now, filtration. What is filtration? Filtration is the separation of a solid liquid mixture. So what happens in filtration? Here you have to take a filter paper. The filter paper will have tiny pores in this. So what will happen when we pour a mixture into the filter paper? Then the liquid passes through these tiny pores as their particle size is very small, and the impurities will be left behind on the filter paper like this. The liquid we obtain is called the filtrate, and the impurity just left in the filter paper we'll call it as residue. So filtration involves a filter paper which traps the impurities in it, and the filtrate will be pure. Now, crystallization. Crystallization, the process by which we obtain pure substance in the form of crystals. You can see here a picture of crystals. So this is formed by crystallization. In science, crystallization occurs by the following steps. First, you have to what you have to do is, if we take example of a copper sulfate, first put copper sulfate in a beaker or in a china dish. Dissolve the copper sulfate in water. Evaporate this. Next, just filter the copper sulfate solution. This solution must be impure. Next, evaporate the solution to obtain a saturated solution. Then cover it with a filter paper. After few days, you will see that there are crystals of copper sulfate solution in the china dish. This time the crystals are pure. By this way, we can obtain crystals of any impure substance. Therefore, in this video we learned about what is crystallization, filtration, sedimentation and decantation.